Good day everyone, I'm Jasmine Mancao and now we represent the building bridges of understanding among Christians, Moro and indigenous people. The rich cultural and religious diversity in the Philippines, which is a significant part of its heritage. However, this diversity can sometimes lead to challenges in getting along peacefully. The different groups in the Philippines, such as Christian, Moro, and indigenous peoples, have had tension in the past because of their varying beliefs, tradition, and historical issues. To promote peace and unity, it is crucial to encourage understanding and cooperation among these groups. This involves addressing biases and misunderstandings so that communities can come together while still celebrating their unique backgrounds. This is aims to create ways for Christians, Moro, and indigenous peoples to work together, respect each other, and grow together. It stresses the importance of having conversations, educating people, and taking action together to build a society where diversity groups can coexist peacefully. Through sustainable project, the proposal hopes to bridge gaps between these groups and form strong relationships based on trust and empathy. Which means that this is about how the different cultural and religious groups in the Philippines have had disagreements in the past because of their differences. May suggest that by talking to each other, learning from one another, and working together on projects, these groups can live together in peace and harmony. It highlights the importance of understanding and respecting each other's background to build a more united society.
Then the first is promote awareness and appreciation of each group cultural and religious practices. So this is about understanding and respecting the way lives of Moro, indigenous people, and Christians, and any religions to have respect their beliefs and appreciating the richness, their diversity. And second, facilitate partnership that address shared community concern and challenges. This means working together. This means working together to solve the problem that affect or that struggles faces the Moro IP people to solve their problem. And third, the last, strengthen social ties through shared initiatives that celebrate diversity and promote unity. This mean is all about the connecting buildings and sense of belonging within the community. Also the indigenous people to have government access and support and have a project to help the IT to their aspect and their aspect and bringing connection to individual.
Understanding each other's culture is the key to harmony in our diverse society. Today, let's talk about simple yet effective ways to bring us closer together. First, cultural exchange programs. Imagine joining festivals, storytelling sessions, or immersion trips where you experience Moro, indigenous, or a Christian traditions firsthand. It's about walking in someone else's shoes. Second, educational workshop. Why not attend seminars that teach us about each group's history, values, and struggles? Knowledge builds empathy. And third, community events. Let's create inclusive spaces, sports festival, art exhibits, or food fairs where everyone shares their talent and cultures. These strategies may be simple, but they open doors to understanding and respect. Together, we can build a community where everyone's belong.
Collaborative projects, building bridges through shared initiatives. Collaborative projects that address shared community concerns can foster a sense of unity and shared purpose. By working together, communities can build bridges of understanding and create lasting positive change. A. First livelihood programs is cooperatives. Developing cooperatives that bring communities together through sustainable agriculture, handicraft, or ecotourism can create economic opportunities and foster collaboration. Next, shared resources and expertise. Sharing resources and expertise can benefit all groups and create a sense of interdependence.
To foster understanding among Christians, Moro, and indigenous people, effective communication and dialogue strategies are essential. Regular forums should be established for community leaders and members to discuss shared issues and plan collaborative activities. Small inclusive gatherings can encourage open communication and empathy among participants. Digital platforms should be utilized to share success stories of collaboration, creating a positive narrative that emphasizes unity and cooperate among the communities involved.
To enhance understanding among Christians, Moro, and indigenous people, three primary strategies can be employed. Mediation teams. Establish teams of mediators from each group trained to facilitate unbiased conflict resolution and highlights common values. Conflict resolutions workshops. Organize workshops focus on non-violence, communication, and active listening to improve conflict resolutions abilities and encourage open discussions. Community agreements. Create agreements that focus on mutual respect and shared duties, endorsed by local leaders to avert conflicts and set behavioral guidelines.
Sustainability. Educational integration. Develop inclusive curriculums that teach cultural sensitivity, religious tolerance, and shared history. Facilitate intercultural workshop and exchange program to promote empathy and understanding. Community engagement. Organize community-led projects such as environmental initiatives, cultural festival, and cooperative enterprise that encourage collaboration. Establish forums for dialogue where all groups can voice concern and share solution. Leadership involvement. Train and empower leaders from all groups to advocate for inclusivity and peace, and create a council of representatives from each community to oversee joint program and initiatives.